It's Natalia again! Remember we were learning some words? Yeah? So shall we repeat them? Okay. L, L, L. Well done. L means I. Você, você. What means you? Ela, ela. What means she? Ellie, Ellie. What means he? Bem means fine, good. Feliz, Feliz. What means happy? Happy. Today I'll teach you a few more words and then we can make sentences. First word I want to teach you is tliszczy. Tliszczy. Let's repeat. Tliszczy. Well done, guys. Tliszczy means sad. Sad. Maybe you might be sad if someone hurt you. If you want to say angry, then you'll say bravo if you're a boy and brava if you're a girl. So this is how you write it. Tick, 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 bravo. If you want to say tired, then you say cansado if you're a boy and cansada if you're a girl. Do you remember when I was teaching you how to say to be in Portuguese? For example, you can say, I am el estou. Or you can say ele está, what means he is. And you can say ela está, what means she is. And you are in Portuguese is você está. Now we can use these to make simple sentences with words that I was teaching you just right now. So for example, ela está triste. Ela está triste, which means she is sad. Or, for example, you can say eu estou triste. Eu estou triste, which means I am sad. Or you can say ele está cansado. Cansado because ele is a boy. So cansado. Ele está cansado, what means he is tired. And just one more thing before I finish. You are probably wondering, because you know I, you, he, she. So if you want to say we, you say nós. But in informal way, you say a gente. Here, a gente. To say we. More about nós and a gente in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye! If you want to say angry, then you say hungry. Thank you for watching. Bye! Oh, Thank you for watching. Bye. Pyong pyong pyong. Wait a minute. It's Java.